This is a language. So hello guys, welcome to back my YouTube channel. So today just I have come back in front of the camera to practice my English speaking. I think you know whenever I come in front of the camera to practice my English speaking. Okay, so guys, after few days I am making this video to upload on my YouTube channel. Why? To be active on my YouTube channel. That's why I make videos, because AI says 3 videos per week we need to upload. If we upload 3 videos per week, so I will be active on my YouTube channel, and YouTube understand that I am a content creator and I upload videos regularly. I am active with my channel, so that's why I make videos. And guys, I would like to request to you, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon that YouTube recommends my videos to audience. And please watch my videos more and more and share the videos to your other friends. And guys, if you have any topics, so please let me know in the comment, and I will try to make videos on that topic, because I say we will learn lots of things through this channel. So please help one another. Okay, because we are learning and we are beginner, so that's why we are learning. So please help one another through this channel. That's why I have made this channel and I come to practice with you. So guys, if I make any mistakes, so there is nothing to worry. Why? Because mistaking is a part of learning. Even great teachers. So there is nothing to worry if we make any mistakes. So no problem. At the starting point, we make mistakes if we are beginner. So keep on learning and we develop our communication skills one day. And how is my communication skills? Let me know in the comment, guys, please, and motivate me that I can make videos more and more. If you motivate me, then I will try to make videos and I will try to be active on my YouTube channel and try to make more videos for you. So guys, this is a language. There is nothing to worry. One day we will be success in this language. This is a language. This language name is English speaking. So we are learning English speaking. No problem. By practicing, we will develop this language. Okay. So no problem. There is nothing to worry, guys. And I am a learner. I am learning. If I make any mistakes, so please forgive me. I request to you. Okay, guys. And sometimes I try to make vlog videos, because I asked AI and AI recommended me that you upload 3 videos per week. 2 videos about your learning, and you can upload a blog video, 1 blog video and 2 learning videos. Then 3 videos you upload per week. So guys, I try to follow this trick because this is helpful for me. If I follow this trick, then I will be success on my YouTube channel, and this is helpful. But I am depressed because I don't get any views. I get 0 views because YouTube doesn't recommend my videos to audience. If YouTube sends my videos to audience, so my video may get more and more views, but I feel depressed. I feel low because I don't get views. I make videos, I don't get views. I am hopeless. What do I need to do? And on which topic will I make videos? So guys, please support me watching my videos, and I will make videos continuously, whether I get views or not. But I will be making videos. So guys, thanks for watching. Till now, see you again in the next videos.